the can who works like this. The one who gets their chair down and type like this. I want you to lift your chair so your knees are at a 90-degree angle, that your armrest is at the same height as your desk. Your elbow can actually touch your armrest, and then you have less pressure on your shoulders. After this, I want you to pull your computer forward so you don't have your hands all the way up here, you have them there. So now you see my body's in the neutral position. It's way easier for me to work. And if you have the luxury to have one, you can also have this. You can also use comic books, but this way, my eyes can actually look at my computer screen from a 45 to 35-degree angle. I'm not bending forward, I'm not bending backward, my shoulders are in a neutral position, and it makes it way easier for me to actually work.